Hello, this is Nobuko. I am at JR Ikebukuro Station in Tokyo now. Ikebukuro Station is the third busiest station in the world. From here, I will take you on a Harry Potter studio tour Tokyo. You'll never get lost with me. Okay, let's go. This is the platform at Ikebukuro Station on the JR Yamanote Line. From here, I'll change to the Seibu Ikebukuro Line. You can go to any ticket gate except for the Metropolitan Gate to transfer to the Seibu Ikebukuro Line. I'll use the South Gate, which is the closest from here. I'll go to the right here. Now I'm heading for the Seibu Ikebukuro Line. The English sign may be small and difficult to see, but just remember the design of this sign. The Seibu Ikebukuro Line ticket gates are located on the ground and the basement floors respectively. Both ticket gates are fine to use. To get to Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo, the making of Harry Potter, go to Toshimaen Station. The train to Toshimaen Station is on the platform 2. Look, the escalator is also Harry Potter specific. The pattern of the escalators make you feel that you are about to meet Harry Potter. Going up the escalator is a platform. The place is decorated to be inspired by King's Cross Station. With respect to the State Railway's best efforts, from now we are going from King's Cross Station to Hogsmeade Station. Let's believe that. This is Nerima Station. The next station is the last stop and our destination, Toshimaen Station. Toshimaen Station is very close to Nerima Station. I used to live near here and often walk to the cafe near Toshimaen Station. The view from the window is very different from that of the Hogwarts Express as seen in the film. But don't worry, we are definitely getting closer to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry in Tokyo. Now we are at Toshimaen Station. If you want to enjoy the attractions as soon as you get off the station, I recommend getting on the frontmost car. I want to enjoy the station a bit more, so I got on the car at the very back. There are subtle efforts to help people forget, even just a bit, that this is a station nestled in a Tokyo residential neighborhood. There is a lot of coal on the train. I thought this train was powered by magic power, but this powered by coal? Perhaps this could be like a hybrid car. This is another uniquely Japanese drink vending machine that you probably won't find at the Hogsmeade station. Even the toilet sign is cute. There was an old building in front of the station, which has now been demolished. Like many areas of Tokyo, a wave of redevelopment has been taking place in front of Toshimaen Station. Some people say it's sad, but I enjoy the change. The name of the station, Toshimaen, is the name of an amusement park that once existed. Toshimaen closed on 31 August 2020. I lived near here at the time and visited Toshimaen the day before the last day of the park's closure. Toshimaen is a spot that brings back childhood memories for me. I used to go there with my mother or sometimes with friends. Just keep walking straight on this road will bring you to the entrance to Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo. There's a rumor that Toshimaen's haunted house is spooked by the ghost of samurai who used to live there. Are there samurai ghosts remain here still now? Or are they coming to say hello to Hogwarts Castle in Tokyo? Now I'm back at Toshimaen Station. In addition to the Seibu Line, Toshimaen Station is also served by the Toei Oedo Line. Let's go to the other Toshimaen Station. This is Toshimaen Station on the Toei Oedo Line. It takes 20 minutes from Toshimaen Station to Shinjuku Station. Today, I showed you how to get from Ikebukuro Station to meet Harry Potter. Using the Seibu Line is an interesting route to get somewhat of the taste of the Harry Potter world. That's it all for today. I usually explore places in Japan that tourists often miss with stories from local history and culture. If that sounds fun, subscribe and join me next time. まったね